defend my cause. O God, hear my prayer. Hearken to the words of my mouth. The Lord upholds my life. The Lord upholds my life. For the haughty have risen up against me. The ruthless seek my life. They set not God before their eyes. The Lord upholds my life. The Lord upholds my life. Behold, God is my helper. The Lord sustains my life. Freely will I offer you sacrifice. I will praise your name, O Lord, for its goodness. The Lord upholds my life. The Lord upholds